What's up, my amazing and beautiful makeup slayers? My name is Eve. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm doing an unboxing. It's going to be the Boxycharm Luxe Box. So I'm going to go ahead and open this box. There it goes. It says Luxe. All right, so the card that comes in the box, there's usually a design on it or a theme. It just says very lightly all down the card spring. And it says right over here that it costs $60 a month, and it's going to be every 3 months that you get this box. I'm not sponsored, I just want you to have all the details on it. Now, before I grab the first product, if you have not yet, please subscribe to my channel. It really helps my channel. It shows that you love me. You love me, don't you? You want this corniness in your life, the love, the laughter, and the fun of makeup and skincare. Now, with that, I'm going to go ahead and go with the first product. It is one of my favorite brands of eyeshadows by Natasha Denona, and I went ahead and used it. I'm going to show you the colors. Try to block my big old head. And this is absolutely stunning. I've worn this twice already, once to work, and then today. I've used every color on my eyes today. So I'm going to let you look. And these are stunning. Some people were disappointed that it wasn't all berry tones. I'm very happy with the shades. I'm going to go ahead and swatch them for you. So I'll do it in order. And we all know how wonderful I am at swatching. Okay. So here we go. And they are in the order of the pan. So I'll put this right above that you can see. Hopefully you can make out these very professional swatches. But like I said, Natasha Denona is one of my favorites. And with this one, as I'm wiping this off, I'm going to talk to you. This palette was designed exclusively for Boxycharm, so nobody else can get this, which is nice. We got something special here. I can get a makeup wipe out, wipe these very professional swatches off so I don't get it on my clothes. If you go back to my very first unboxing of Boxycharm, it was funny. I didn't have a makeup wipe, thought I could just cleverly put on my sweater where nobody could see it. It smeared all over my blue sweater, and it was a hot mess. That was my very first unboxing I did, and I laugh at it now. Whenever I need a good laugh, I tune to my very first unboxing of the Boxycharm, and you get to see that hot mess. But with this one, it is going to be a value of $48. I absolutely think it was worth it. Soon as I saw Natasha's name, I got excited. I'm glad with the colors. I love bronze, I love browns, and that deep, like ruby red is a very pretty color. So that's something you can do your outer crease with. You can do the lower lash line with that color. I absolutely love it. But I don't think Natasha can do any wrong. I have so many of her palettes. Now with the next one, it's going to be the Juice Beauty Stem Cellular Anti-Wrinkle Retinol Overnight Serum. I think I said it all there. And this is a very nice name. I've never tried this, but I've tried other things from Juice, and I like them a lot. They are a very expensive, natural brand, and I really like them. So I'm glad this is in the box. And let's see what the price is. $72. And what I'm guessing is what, probably 2 ounces? No, 1 ounce. So 1 ounce, and it's $72. So that I didn't have to spend that and I can get this. Whew, way to go. I know a lot of people get disappointed with skincare, but I absolutely love it. Now with the third item is going to be the Dry Bar, and it's a Liquid Glass Miracle Smooth Sealant. So go ahead and show you this. This is what I put in my hair for a heat protectant / frizz fighter. That's what's in my hair with a little Aussie hairspray. And as you can see, It looks beautiful. The thing I like about this is it's very lightweight. Some heat protectants can weigh down my hair. I have to really style my hair to make it look this full. I have to rub my two hairs together, say a prayer, and do some magic to get it this big. Some people are like, oh, why don't you style your hair? Oh, trust me, if I didn't style it, you'd be able to tell, because you would just see two hairs on my head. That's how thin my hair is. And then when I got my hair styled and cut by the stylist, she went over and she's like, oh, you poor thing. You must get it a lot that you don't style your hair because how thin it is. People must say that to you. And then I go, yes, absolutely, all the time. Can you do anything about it? And she did the best she could. We both had a really good laugh. Now that one is going to be $34. The next one is going to be Lawless Beauty, and it's Forget the Filler, Plumping, Lining, Smoothing Gloss. Wow, it's promising you a lot. Here we go. And I have never tried anything from Lawless Beauty. I tried this. I like this a lot. I don't like wearing it on its own. The reason why is when I did throughout my shift, it was really, really sticky. Now, I have it on top of my lipstick. I have the Maybelline Color Stay lipstick. I put that on, I blotted it, and then put this on. And it's nice. I like it for that, not by itself, because it got really, really sticky on me as the day went on. And I didn't like the feeling on my lips. But right now, I love it. Let you take a look at that. So that's how I like it. So on top of a matte liquid lip, beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Let me go ahead and take it out of the packaging, even though the packaging is absolutely gorgeous and it's clean AF. Oh, this is kind of cute. I just saw this. It says clean makeup that doesn't fuck around. I like this. I have to check more into this brand because I like their shtick that they have. You put cussing in it, it just draws me in. The sailor in me gets very happy. But here is the pretty tube. And I like the doe foot. It was in a little scoop shape. I'm going to go ahead and show this to you. And that really put on the product nice. So I like that a lot. And with how dry my lips are, adding it on top of the liquid lip, this was a lifesaver. And the pretty, very light color, that's nice as well. Now that one is going to be $25. The next item is going to be another big name. It's going to be Ren Clean Skincare. So I'm noticing a lot of clean products in this. So I'm guessing that that's their thing that they're doing, is it's clean beauty. Because I've already noticed that about the Juice Beauty, now the Lawless, and now the Ren. So they're very clean this month. Now this one is going to be an eye cream. I used it underneath my concealer. It did not disturb. It laid on top of it perfectly. It's supposed to be lessening dark circles. I don't have dark circles underneath my eyes, so I can't say anything about that, but it was very hydrating underneath the eyes. It didn't aggravate my eyes. I have allergy eyes. They're a little sensitive. This didn't react whatsoever with it. So I'm going to go ahead and show you this. Get it out. And this is another very pricey item. And with this one you get 0.5 fluid ounce, which is good for an eye cream. And this one is going to be $49. So absolutely stoked about that. The next item is going to be sheet masks. I'm noticing I don't remember what subscription I got sheet masks. Now I have sheet masks again. And I have a lot. I used to be a big sheet mask lover, but then for some reason I just got out of them. Now they're just sitting in my drawer, not using it. But this really perked my interest in it again. I put this on after a very long, hard night. I put it on. It was nice. It was soothing. It was cooling. And after being in the sun, working, this was a very nice treat. And then another thing I like about this, is sheet mask can be annoying, dripping everywhere, trying to open. This has one of the plastic things that keep the mask from sticking to each other, so it's very nice to pull it back and put it on your skin. It's not a hassle. Some face masks don't have that. Trying to get it, you're ripping it, and it's annoying. This one has paper, so it's really easy to put on, which I really like. Now this one is going to be from Give Them Lala Skin, and it's the Stay Calm Soothing Sheet Mask. And I will completely agree with that. This was very soothing, very cooling. Like I said, I was not feeling good in the hot sun, sweating my tail off, having to go in the fridge, what we call a walk-in in the restaurant industry, and try to cool off. It was that hot. So when I got home after working 8-9 hours, it was nice to treat myself, shower, and then put this on my face. Now you get 4 masks with this. You're only gonna see 3 because I said I used one. Is it on both? No, half of them are turned around. All right, here we go. And I'm gonna look into aloe sheet mask to see if that's the secret and get that cooling factor, because this is a little pricey for only 4 sheet masks. This is going to be $30. I think you can get cheaper masks out there, the sheet mask with the aloe in it, but if I don't find anything as cooling and wonderful, I'm gonna have to spring for this, because like I said, this was a lifesaver after my long, hot, sweaty shift. So I can only imagine if your skin is irritated too, that would be nice as well. But I'm gonna look into cheaper alternatives on that. So if I find something, I will have it in my empties. So make sure to check out that, and I can maybe find you a deal on it. I swear, you find everything on Amazon. Amazon, I did Face Story sheet mask before. That was a great thing. I stopped it because I said I got out of it, but this piqued my interest again. Now let's go stop talking about masks and go to the next product. This one is stinking cute. This is by Frank Body, and this is a moisturizer. So it's supposed to be deeply hydrating. Yes, please. They absolutely know me. She's dry, ashy, always complaining about, let's go ahead and moisturize her up. And she loves coffee. They read me like a book on this one. Now I'm going to show you this cute packaging. It says but as B-U-T-T, first coffee, because it's supposed to firm your butt, but you can use it all over your body, and it's by Frank Body, so there we go. And it has a cute little butt on the lid. I hope you could pick that up. And then this is supposed to be, when you're done with it, you can wash it out and reuse it as a coffee cup, which is nice. So there's not a waste on the packaging on this. So you can reuse it. It smells like a very sweet coffee smell. So if you like that, absolutely. Hopefully I'm not the bearer of the bad news. I hope you already know this. No cream is going to firm you. That's not what it is. You're going to have to exercise, diet. No, there's no cream that is a magic product that is going to firm you and make you lose cellulite and everything else. Keeping hydrated is what it's for. I have not tried it. Let me go ahead and throw this on, see how it feels. But if you're looking for a miracle product, that's not going to be it. Just see the texture. But I like the multi-use of putting that in, that you can wash it off and then use it as a coffee cup. I think that's a brilliant idea. And the only Frank Body thing I've used is their scrubs, which are nice. I prefer my Tree Hut, but that's just me. Go ahead and put this and see how it is. Yeah, this is very nice. The scent is strong, so if you don't like the sweet coffee scent, this is not for you. Yeah, I like this a lot. So, absolutely cute. And I really like that. I really hope that you can see that. But first, coffee. I love that. Now put that away. Now we're gonna go on to the last product. This is the Complex Culture Beauty Filter Out Daily Blue Light Defense Mist. Some people are mad because I guess this is an Ipsy brand and they decided to put it in Boxycharm. I don't care. The blue light, I kind of see that as an added sunscreen, because where you get, people think that it's from your televisions, from your computers, things like that. And the biggest blue light is from the sun. So what I'm going to do is just add this as a setting spray. Would I rebuy this? Probably not, because my SPF is enough, but what the hell? If it's a good setting spray, I'll use it. I haven't tried it yet, but I'm not mad at it. I'm not mad if it's a good setting spray. The whole blue light thing, I think that's another shtick to sell things. I think sunscreen does a good enough job. I don't know, this is all new. There's no studies really on it. So it may block out blue light, it may not, it may be a shtick. Who knows? This one is $32, and like I said, I really don't care if this is in here. I'm just glad it's not that stupid vibrating wand that they put in last time. That irritated me. I did not like that. I got that twice, and it irritated me both times. Did not like that, but this I don't hate. Now, if you made it to the end of the video, give yourself a pat on the back because you made it to hear the box value. The box value is going to be $310. So adding all that up, that's the value you get. $310 for spending 60 bucks. Do I think it's worth it? I'm trying to think of anything I hate. I don't think I hate anything. So this one gets a 2 thumbs up. I think they knocked it out of the park. I got makeup, I got skincare, I got lotion. They hit it out of the park for me. I'm absolutely happy. Last month I wasn't too happy with Boxycharm. This month for Luxe, I'm happy with. I think this was well worth my $60. I would buy every single one of these things, so that makes me happy. Now, if you like this video, remember, please become one of my amazing, beautiful makeup slayer friends. I appreciate you guys, everything that you do. I see you in the comments and you make me feel so loved. Share this video, like this video, because all that goodness helps my channel and shows that you love me. Now, the true star, I have to give it up, bow to, is my sugar bear that's right underneath my feet right now. Sugar bear, come here. Here we go. Here's Miss Sugar Bear, and we're gonna say goodbye to you. Bye, guys.